Okay, we are done with the Power Wheels battery upgrade. What do you think?
Good. Does it work now?
Yep, it does. You ready?
Yes.
Go. We're going to have to put some more traction on the wheels, but go ahead. Alright, go. 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 Just keep your foot on the pedal. Yeah, we definitely got to get some traction on those. Let's go downhill. Here, let's go this way. Just get it going. Keep your foot on the pedal. Here, drive it down the road. Drive it down the road. We're gonna have to put some bicycle tire tread on it. We could probably do. Yeah, we're gonna have to put some bicycle tire tread on it so it just kicks up rocks and spins out and gets you popping a wheelie. You can play with it. You wanna keep driving it?
But I can't go down the road.
Well, go down and turn around. You gotta keep your foot on the pedal. Yeah. Otherwise you won't get going fast. Or at all. We'll keep steering it. Go. Go. Okay, come back this way. Back it up. Yeah. Yeah, I'll turn around.